This is all broken up on the floor the other day, so I've got some Gorilla Glue, put in the joints, covered up the holes a bit. If I turn it over, actually, you can see how many pieces it went into. Is there, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces it broke into. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clear it up now. That's the stuff you need with a sealer, hobby sealer. I was going to spray this with, going to paint this with PVA glue first, but I don't know. We'll see how this goes. I'll just pause this a second. Right then, this is what it'll look like when you put the sealer on. The difference that makes. So I'll give that a couple of coats, and that'll seal the glue. That'll seal the glue and stop any water getting in to the joints and break it. But I've got to give that another couple of coats, but that's about it.